Hello everyone. In that first class or first slide, we have seen that electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. So there have been five types of electrophilic substitution reaction. That is nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and halogenation reaction. So now I am going to explain that mechanism of the nitration reaction with benzene. So in that first step, that is the mechanism. So first formation of or generation of nitronium ion. In the first step, proton transfer to nitric acid. So as you know that sulfuric acid, that is the molecular formula is HSO3OH. You can write like this way also. So then nitric acid will accept one proton from which is supplied by sulfuric acid. So it will give conjugated acid of nitric acid. That is the one conjugated acid. And sulfuric acid will form HSO3 minus ion. In that second step, laws of water give the nitronium ion a very strong electrophiles. So this conjugated acid of nitric acid, it will release or loses one molecule of water, and then it will form the nitronium ion. So then the nitronium ion will attack to that benzene ring. So attack of nitronium ion, that is only used as an electrophile on the aromatic ring. Here aromatic ring behave like as a nucleophiles, means which can donate the pair of electron to that electrophile. As you know that electrophile itself having that deficiency of electron. That's why benzene itself having that 6 electrons or pi electrons. Out of these 6, any one pair of electron it can easily donate to that nitronium ion. Suppose this in that first reaction, suppose this benzene, suppose this is the number 1 and number 2 carbon atom, both the carbon atom having the same electronegativity. That's why this all the electron may be shifted to that first carbon atom or maybe that second carbon atom. So if it will withdraw, that is carbon number 1, if pull both the bonding electron towards this carbon number 1, as a result carbon number 2 become the positive charge. Because deficiency of electron. Once this carbon will withdraw the both electron, it behave like as a carbanion. That means maximum number of electron is present in that carbon number 1. Now this carbon, it able to donate this pair of electron, or it's having that capacity to accept the electron, that is electrophiles from that reaction medium. So then when this carboanion donating its pair of electron to that nitronium ion, that is N plus, so it will form NO2 bond, and another one H is also present in that structure. Then the second carbon atom will be your positive charge. Then this all the electron, whatever bond electron is present inside this ring system, they will reshuffling each other, and then it will give different types of resonance structure. So by this resonance structure, whatever carbocation we got it, this carbocation become that stable carbocation. Once if this carbocation does not provide or does not give any kind of a resonance structure, that means this compound is an unstable compound. Whereas when that nitronium ion attached to that benzene ring, it will give 3 types of carbocation. By this resonance structure, it will become your stable intermediate or carbocation. And then second step, so already water molecule is present inside that reaction medium. So then this water molecule will accept one proton, and that proton will eliminated or donated or maybe loses by this carbocation. Once it will lose one protons, that means whatever bonding electron is there, both the bonding electron will acquire by this carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. As a result, you will get your final compound. Along with that, hydrate ion, H3O plus ion, you will get it. That means here that will be your byproduct, and from that hydronium that is hydride ion, or maybe that H3O plus, it will release one proton, and that proton will accept by this HSO4 minus, and it will give your sulfuric acid as a byproduct and water also as a byproduct. Thank you.